Mm-hmm.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm putting a Band-Aid
Where are you putting the Band-Aid?
on your arm.
Why?
What do?
It's got a mosquito bite.
Oh, don't worry.
I won't.
I can't take the paper off. That's right. They're burning.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Now, who is the number here?
I don't have any more boo-boos.
Is it on your leg?
No, there's not one on my leg.
No. What do you want?